Sir Isaac Newton School, a school with vision. Papa Kovil, Nagapattinam. Idu namma ooru, namma school.
Dear viewers, now in Vedic mathematics we are doing problems related to squaring. Squaring அப்படினா வர்க்கம். ஸ்கொயர் அப்படினாலே வர்க்கம் என்று பெயர். ஸ்கொயர் அப்படிங்கிறதுக்கு ஒரு சின்ன விளக்கம் கொடுத்தேன். அது ஒரு பெருக்கல் தான், மல்டிப்ளிகேஷன் தான். ஆனால் அந்த மல்டிப்ளிகேஷனில் பெருக்கக்கூடிய நபரும் பெருக்க வேண்டிய எண்ணும் ஒன்றாக சமமாக இருக்கும் பட்சத்தில் அதை நாம் வர்க்கம் என்று சொல்லுகிறோம். ஸோ ஸ்கொயரிங்கில் ஆல்ரெடி we have come across two methods. Now I am going to tell you the third method, which is still more easier than comparing with the other two methods. Let us see one by one various samples and examples, and a few problems I will work out. You can try it in your house with different numbers and different combinations. You can do it and you can enjoy how short it is to square a number. Now let us see the third method in squaring of numbers in our consecutive program. Now let us consider a number 72, a two-digit number 72. Let us resolve it in a smart and simple way. I will tell you how to approach the problem. You keep some for material to write so that you will get conversed very much with this kind of squaring by this method, the third method. Squaring of two-digit number. Let us imagine a number 72 whole square. Here we have on LHS 7, on the RHS is 2. Let us draw three lines. Let us draw three lines. Just you take the LHS of the number 7, then you write the square of 7, that becomes 49. Similarly, you come to the RHS of the number, which is nothing but 2, write the square of the number 2 over here, which is nothing but 4. And in Vedic mathematics, don't write 4, just write 04. And center we have got one line that has to be filled. For this, what we are supposed to do, just carefully listen it off. What is the number 7? And we have 2 and another 2 at the top, superscript. So by doing so, 7 into 2 into 2, which is the square of that number. So 7 into 2, that is 7 2s are 14, and when it is multiplied by 2, that gives value 28. இப்போ நமக்கு மூணு வேல்யூ வந்திருக்கு. என்ன, 7 ஸ்கொயர் பண்ண நம்பரு, 2 ஸ்கொயர் பண்ண நம்பரு, நடுப்புற இருக்கக்கூடிய 7 2 2 இது மூணையும் பெருக்கி வந்த நம்பரை நடுப்புற நம்ம போட்டுக்கிறோம். இப்போ நமக்கு ஆக்சுவலாக வேல்யூ வேணும் அப்படின்னா என்ன பண்ணணும், இந்த 0வையும் 8ஐயும் கூட்டணும், 2ஐயும் 9ஐயும் கூட்டணும், வேற 1 கேரி ஓவரை 4ஓட கூட்டணும். இப்போ பாருங்கள், 4, you write the 4, the first digit, unit digit, then 0 added with 8 you write it off, 2 added with 9 you write it off, then you write 4. Then the next step will be 8 plus 0 is 8, 9 2 plus 2 is 11, 1 we have to carry over to 4, when I add with 4 that gives 5. 5184 is the answer. So 72 whole squared is equal to 5184. This is another interesting way of solving or doing squaring of numbers for two digit. Similarly, let us see one number 66 whole square. Here what is LHS? Write three numbers as I told you earlier. LHS 6, so square of LHS equal to 36. Again RHS also is having 6. When I square RHS, that means when I square 6 again on the RHS, you will have 36. What is the central line? So you know 6 into 6 into 2, that means 6 into 6 into 2, 36. 36 when it is multiplied by 2, which gives you a value of 72. Now as I told you, you just write the unit digit of, I mean the extreme digit 6, then you have to add 3 with 2, 7 with 6, the excess 1 has to be added with 3. Just let us see that one. 6, 7, 3 plus 2, 7 plus 6, 3. So it comes 2 plus 3 becomes 5, 7 plus 6 gives you 13, 1 it has to be carried over to 3, that becomes 3 plus 1 gives you 4. The value is 4356 is the value. Okay, are you able to understand? Now I have seen 76 and 66, 72 and 66. Here in the last method we have seen divided into greater than 50, less than 50, but here it is not the case. This can be used for any number. For example, let us see one more number also, 37 whole square. 37 whole square you have to write 3 lines. Then LHS, what is that? 3 when I square it off will give you value 09 as well, and the RHS I have 7. When I square it value will be 49. நடு போர்ஷனில் என்ன வரணும்? நான் ஏற்கனவே சொன்ன மாதிரி 3, 7, 2 இது 3 பெருக்கி வரக்கூடிய என்ன நடுப்புற எழுதணும் நம்ம. அப்போ என்ன 3 3 into 7 into 2 which is 3 7s are 21. 21 multiplied by 2 gives you 42 will be the center portion. Now you write the extreme end which is 9 and you have to add off, that gives you value 9. 2 plus 4, 9 plus 4 which is nothing but 9. 2 plus 4 plus 2 gives you 6. 4 plus 9 gives you 13. Since we have 0, when 1 added with the 0 gives you 1, so the value is 1369 is the answer. Are you comfortable? Are you able to appreciate the shortest method to do squaring? Instead of putting this bracket and all these things, we can do it in a simple way. Let us see. 42 whole square. What is LHS? What is RHS? RHS square is 04. LHS square is 16. Then when you multiply 4 into 2 into 2, that is 16. So you just add 16 with this unit, the extrement you have to leave it off. When you do carryover, this is nothing but 1764 is the answer for 42 whole square. Similarly for 52, RHS equal to 2 square which is 04, left hand side 5 square is equal to 25. So the 3 numbers multiplied gives you value 20. When I bring it over here and add it, this gives you a value of 2704, which is supposed to be the best way without any problem, without any long time gap. You can solve it within a short span of time. This will be most comfortable way of solving this type of squaring the numbers which is of 2 digit. So far we have seen 3 methods. The first method for a squaring of numbers which consists 5, and the second method we have classified the numbers greater than 50 and less than 50 for 2 digit number, and here also in the third method we have seen 2 digit number in which we have to take the right hand side square, left hand side square plus the number should be multiplied. Similar way we have worked out all 3 types of squaring in a shortest way. Let us see tomorrow the 4th method to find out squaring of numbers. Thanks a lot for listening to this. So I humbly request you to go through or to solve many problems related to square. Any number you just take, do it in different method for the same number and you must get same answer. That you keep it in mind. For each method you should not get different answers. You should get same answers for all the method what you are going to do. So let us solve 4th method let us squaring of numbers, the 4th method in the next class. Until then, bye. Thank you very much.